Money, 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 money. Hello, world. Hello, world. Welcome to the Mecca of Mastery TV. I'm your host, Mecca. If it is your mission to become the greatest version of yourself in every area of life, then guess what? You're in the right place. I'm so excited about this video, as she say in every video, because in this episode we are speaking about money, career, and business. Ching, ching, bling, bling, dollar, dollar signs. So in this video we are speaking about money. Let's get straight into the video. I read something, statistics that say that 75%, this goes for Europeans and Americans, can't even solve a $400 to $1,000 problem or a 400 to 1,000 pound problem. What I mean by this, that most people don't even have for a rainy day, for a miscellaneous day, for just fuck up some combos day. They don't have $400 to $1,000 chilling, having a little vacation in their account to go put their hands on and solve a problem. This was a problem. I remember when I heard this, I had less than $3 in my account. I was at a negative balance, honey. Yeah, I was at a negative balance. And you know what? I thought to myself, once I heard that, that is not going to be me. I made that decision because before 3 years ago, I was broke as ever. Now I have bands just resting in my account on vacation until I'm ready to use them to make more money for me. Here we go. So I heard this statistic, it's amazing. It's crazy. It's not amazing. It's absolutely crazy that 75% of people in the world can't solve a $400 to $1,000 problem. And the thing is, money is a thought. Money is a feeling. And the reason why most people don't have the money that they want or that they wish to have is because they don't believe they could have it. It's an internal shift. When you want to save a certain amount of money, okay, or have any type of money, or even have a certain amount of money come to you, you have to change your thinking. And when you change your thinking, it also changes your perception of things. It changes the values in your life, and it changes how you do things, your habits. So the reason why sometimes you don't have the money that you want, so first of all, let's get to point A, is at least having $1,000 in your account. I'm going to be straight with you. I'm not going to sugarcoat nothing. If you don't have $1,000 in your account, it is absolutely sad. You need to be doing something with yourself. If you don't have $1,000 in your account, what are you doing? This was me. I was doing nothing. Being busy, spending money on miscellaneous stuff. I started to realize I was spending half my money on food. Then I grew a garden, honey. I didn't have to buy no more food. I started to plant my own. And isn't that even better? It gained more value when you start to look at the reason why your money is flowing out away from you. And you start to look at the reasons why your money is flowing out. It starts to make you look at yourself. The reason why money is not attracting to you like a magnet or you can't keep it is because it's flowing out to things that's unnecessary. Because if your money was flowing out to things that was necessary, it will be flowing back. Money is like a boomerang. You put it out and it comes right back to you. It's like value. You're supposed to send your money on vacation. Because when you go on vacation, you might go away for a month, a few weeks, or a year. But you're always coming back home. Put your money on vacation, and then when you go on vacation, you always come back with something more valuable. You come back with a souvenir. So you come back with more interest of the money that you put out. That's how you have to look at your money. So when you start to look at the things in your life, like what you're spending your money on, it starts to make you look at yourself. Why am I spending $500 a month on food? Why am I spending, going to the movies 3 times a week and buying this useless popcorn? Does this stuff belong in my body? It starts to make you look at your health and your nutrition. Why am I spending money on makeup and everything? Oh, do you have to have makeup on every day that you go outside? Is that an insecurity that you're hiding deep within yourself? Why am I? Okay, I'm sure you get the point. So once you start to look deep into yourself, you start to make decisions and you start to change the habits of how you spend your money and you manage your money. And how you accumulate your first 10,000 is first of all by looking within yourself, changing the internal shift of how you think. about money. The B. B. The only way that you're going to get to 10,000 is you, first of all, you have to have management and organization. You have to be able to be responsible. If you're not responsible enough to say no to something when you're out that you don't need, how the hell do you think you're going to be responsible when it comes to every paycheck you say 500 off top is going into my savings account? So, getting to your first 10,000 is not just, oh, save this amount of money, go and sell this and get that. It's about changing the habits, your daily habits. Because even when you have $1 million, millionaires still have these habits, these responsibilities, these habits, these organizational skills, this management, this budgeting. Until you do that, getting your first 10,000 into your account is internal. I love to look in my account and see over 10,000 now. But it's only because I've changed within myself. I realized that so much that I was spending my money on I did not need. So to get to your first 10,000, look at the things that you're spending your money on. Is it a want or is it a need? Is it a liability or is it an asset? A liability takes money out of your pocket. It drains you for things that you don't need. It does not provide value. An asset increases value in your life. It brings more money back to you. It brings things back to you that's going to create more money. That's how you get to your first 10,000. Oh, and then of course, you need to make a budgeting plan. You need to make a savings plan. So if you make about 2,000 a month and your bills come up to 1,100, okay, you got about 900 left. How about out of that 900, you save 500? You make a plan. You save 500 to a certain time, so you get to 10,000. And then when you get to 10,000, the money after that, you use a little bit to invest into certain things. Maybe you start an online eBay, Amazon business. Maybe you start to invest into your business. Maybe you write a book and you invest into that. That's how you get to your first 10,000. It's an internal shift. You internalize, you see yourself having the money, you see yourself doing things, you see yourself being the person that you need to be to get to where you need to go, to save that money and to get that money and to make those investments. That's how you do it. And I hope you love this video. You like and you subscribe. You send this off and you share it to somebody, share it with somebody that you love. We always say here at Mecca Mastery TV, we encourage you to become the greatest version of yourself in every area of life. So you, my friend, you go out into the world, you kick a whole lot of action, keep your pockets tight, honey, okay? And don't let anybody tell you that you can't do anything, because you can do whatever you put your mind to. I'm sending all my love, energy, and peace and gratitude your way. Until next time I see you in the next episode, peace!